Here's how to fix the temperature warning that your iPhone needs to cool down before you can use it. Now, it'll look something like this. Essentially, if your iPhone gets too hot, it will say temperature, iPhone needs to cool down before you can use it. And you'll be able to see the little emergency button at the very bottom here. Now, you might be updating your operating system or doing a lot, or maybe you left your iPhone on a dashboard and it got really hot. Now, keep in mind, there are limits to how hot and cold your iPhone can get while working normally. And on here, it says using the iOS operating system on your iPhone needs to stay within 32 degrees to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, or 0 to 35 degrees Celsius. That is the normal operating range. But let's say you're in the summer and you're in a hot car, it can quickly and easily get above 95 degrees. Now, thankfully, your iPhone walks you through some steps that you can go through to walk through and make sure that your phone is working normally or cools down quick enough so that you can then start using it. Now, if we go to the very bottom, it says if the temperature warning screen appears like this, then this is what it says to do. It says to resume use of your device as quickly as possible, turn your device off. So essentially what you're going to do is tap and hold the side button and the volume up button. So tap and hold those until you see the little screen to swipe to turn it off. So you want to shut down your phone. Now, the next step is move it to a cooler environment away from direct sunlight. So essentially put it in somewhere cool and shady. If it's outside, try to bring it inside or at least in some shade. Basically, cool down physically your iPhone and then allow it to cool down. So just allow it to gradually cool down on its own. So again, turn off your phone and bring it to somewhere inside, preferably with air conditioning where it can cool down. Or you might want to bring it to somewhere that it is nice and shady or a cool spot. You might even want to put it in the refrigerator for like 5 minutes just to quickly cool it down a little bit. Don't keep it in there because essentially it could get too cold on the other side of it. But then after it's done that and you can touch your iPhone, basically it should be very slightly warm if you've used it, or if you're not using it, it should be room temperature. So once it gets down to sort of room temperature or maybe slightly warm, then you can always just tap and hold this side button to turn your phone back on. And then you should no longer see this temperature warning. You should be able to use your phone normally from there on. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys.